Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and today I'm going to talk to you about water stop shutoff valve installation. Today we'll be talking about how to install a PEX shutoff valve or water stop. And this is a little bit different than your common CPVC or copper shutoff valves. For this job, we'll be using PEX pipe, a PEX shutoff valve, 2 crimp rings, and a crimping tool. The first thing we're going to do is take our crimping rings and place them over the PEX pipe. You want to leave about a 1/4 inch between the crimping ring and the end of the PEX pipe. After that, you're going to slide the shutoff valve into place, making sure that your crimping rings are still a 1/4 inch away. Next, we'll be using a 1/2 inch crimping ring for our crimp tool. We'll open it up, set our tool right over top of our rings, and crimp it down. We'll go ahead and do this to both sides. After all your PEX is installed, you will turn on the shutoff valve by making sure that the ball valve line is running straight with your water lines. To shut it off, you cut it by going across your water lines. And with this particular shutoff valve, you have what is called a waste drain. This little cap here, if you shut your water off and you want to drain your lines for the winter time, you remove this cap and the water will flow through this drain and allow you to drain your water lines. It's a good idea to place a shutoff valve at every single water line where it goes into a faucet. That way, if you have to work on your faucet, you can just go underneath the sink or in a closet and shut that water line off. That way you can maintenance those particular areas without having to shut off the main to your house. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.